How to log in Facebook account with phone number. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to log in Facebook account with phone number. To log in Facebook account with phone number, you'll have to follow the steps. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Facebook application, after which I'm going to go ahead and add an account. Since I'm already logged into a different account, so I'll go ahead and open up the account center, and then you want to go ahead and click on add account. Once you click on add account, now what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and enter in your information. So after which, what you will want to do is go ahead and enter in the phone number. So make sure to enter the country's code as well. Then enter in your password. After which, you want to go ahead and fill out some terms and conditions, read all of the information, and click the confirm button. As soon as you've done it, so you'll have successfully logged into your Facebook account using your phone number. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.